Civil 3D allows for the creation of folders to organize some types of Civil 3D objects in the Toolspace Prospector tab object tree. The Prospector Object Folders command automates the creation of these folders. The Prospector Object Folders command is developed and provided by WizDot. We can create folders in our Prospector object tree to organize our Civil 3D objects. If I go into the Toolspace Prospector tab and right-click on Surfaces, you can see I have the option to create a folder. I go ahead and click that. I can give it a name, and I can organize my surfaces. Let's have one folder say Existing, and one folder say Proposed. If we take a look at our surfaces in the object tree, I can expand surfaces, and I have my existing and proposed folders here. I can go ahead and drag my existing surfaces into the existing folder. It's a good way to organize things in the Prospector. There are other object types that you can use to make folders. There are surfaces, centerline alignments, offset alignments, curve return alignments, rail alignments, miscellaneous alignments, pipe networks, corridors, intersections, and view frame groups. If I'm making folders a lot of the time, I can automate this process so I don't have to manually do it. And to do that, I can use the Prospector Object Folders command. To automate creation of the folders, an object folder data CSV file is developed. This CSV file contains a list of object types and folder names. Any number of object folder data CSVs can be created and saved for general use or specific projects. Let's see how to make a CSV. If I go up to my object tools and select Prospector Object Folders, I have some options here at the bottom. To make my CSV, I want to view the default. So I'm going to click View Default. And it's going to open up Excel and open up the CSV file. This CSV that just opened is the file that comes with the state kit. We don't want to edit this file. So what we're going to do is do a save as here. And this can be saved anywhere. Some good places to save are either the state kit user folder, or if you are making a specific project one, you can save it with the project. Let's go into the user folder. And I'll just call this general. This will be my general CSV. Now we can go ahead and edit this file. This is just a suggestion, and it does list all the different object types that can be used to make folders. So I'm going to go ahead and say, I like to keep the existing and proposed surface. I don't need these corridor setups, so I'll get rid of that. I'm not going to have any rails, so I'll get rid of that. And I like the pipe networks existing and proposed. And I don't anticipate sharing or having many view frame groups, so get rid of that. And we'll get rid of intersection. And when I like what I want, go ahead and save it. And I can close out of Excel. Now I can go ahead and apply this to my drawing. I want to click on, if I click on Browse Current, it's going to bring me to the Current Drawings folder. If I click on Browse Last, it's going to give me the last place where I opened up a CSV. So I'm going to click Browse Last. And it opens to the state kit location. I want to go to my user folder though, and here we go. Here's my general CSV. Go ahead and click Open. And now if I expand the object tree in my Prospector tab, I can see that these folders are created. Now anytime I want to create these folders in my drawing, I can use this tool, and I don't have to create them manually.